How to pay Temu in convenience store Japan. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can pay on Temu in a convenience store in Japan. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you've downloaded the Temu app. After that, review your order and click confirm. As I don't have this option because there is no convenience store near me, but I'll tell you the next steps. Then choose convenience store and click submit order. You will be given a 6-digit payment code. Then visit a nearby Family Mart convenience store and find the FamiPort. After that, enter your phone number. Confirm your order information and tap agree. With your payment slip in hand, head to the cashier. Now, hand over the slip and the exact amount of cash for your order. Once the payment is processed successfully, the cashier will provide you with a receipt as proof of payment. Be sure to take it with you for your records. So that's how you can pay on Temu in a convenience store in Japan. That's all for this video.